Hi everybody, my name is Patty, and in this video I'm going to show you, I went to Daiso, and I'm going to move some stuff out of my way. I went to Daiso and I got a few things I found these are some zip ties. They have zip ties up there. These are the longest ones. They have short like sizes. These are the longest. They're $1.75, I do believe, because they didn't have that little symbol. I don't think they did. I don't know. Anyways, I got the clear white and the green. And I ran out of them. That's the reason why I got some more. Found this for my gardening reasons. I want to try it and see how good these are. I've never tried these. I've always hand pulled my weeds. And I need to try something now a little easier. So I got that. This was probably a little bit more. I don't know. Don't see a price tag on it. That kind, I mean, where it has the little symbol that it tells you it's supposed to be right down here, though, or right here on the front if it's more than $1.75. Oops. Dropped the bag. Sorry, y'all. And now, put these over here. Now, I found these. I got 2 packs of these. They're just die cuts of some swirly pretty things, and I thought those would be pretty on a corner. I bought some before and they worked out really well and I liked them and I wanted to buy some more. So I got 2 packs of those. They have these pretty, they had them in different colors too, but they didn't have them in pink. I wanted to buy them in pink. They're little bitty flowers and they're just, what do you call those? Trim, little things you can add to your pockets as decor, you know, and stuff. There's those, $1.75 as well. They are coming back out with this lace crepe paper with a sticky side, you know, kind of thing. It's like a, it's hard to explain, but that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I love the pink the most. But this is, they had the yellow. They had the blue as well, but I'm not really into the blue. And they have this pretty green. Come on. They have this pretty green color. And they're stickery, you know, sticky. They're really cool. It's almost like washi tape, but not quite. And then I found a whole bunch of cool tapes and stuff. Like I got these. These are really pretty. Aren't they pretty? They're florally. Oops. That went right back in the bag. Anyways, I got these. They got a lot of floral to them. I thought those were really cool. Where'd they go? Over there. And then I found these, which they have always sold, but I wanted to buy. I want to try some. I've never tried these big, long, fat ones. And so I got some. And this one is what that print looks like. It's hard to see it because it's a light color. It's a cool print, though. I like that. And then this pretty blue. I like that one. That's really pretty. There's those. And then I walked around the curve of the corner of the shelf after I went down one aisle. I found these packs of 4. And they're florally and they're so pretty. They're called masking tape. Making sure it's nice and clear for you. Isn't that pretty, those colors? I've got so many of this kind of tape, though. I don't know why I get more washi tape. But I don't have, like, pretty floral ones. And I love using the floral ones. I do. There's those. And I found this one. It's got, like, a golding to it. 2 little flowers. But it's got those kind of things on it. And then there's this one that says Elegant Botanical. And it's real pretty and it's got the gold leafing to it as well. Oh, come on now, quit looking at the back. I would take it out of the shiny wrapper, but I think you can see it. So there's that one. And last but not least, last thing that I got from there was these paper clips. Now you can do this yourself by putting inks in a bag. Put you some paper clips that are made out of silver, or the shiny silver color. And put them in a Ziploc bag and pour some alcohol ink in there and just mix them up real good. Pam with the Paper Outpost shows you how to do that. And then just let them sit and dry. And then when you pull them out, they'll have the coloring on them. Sometimes it's splashy. It's up to you how good you coat them. But these are at the Daiso, and these are already done. So I grabbed a box of those, and it's 150 of them. So I figured, why not? It's $1.75. And there's that. And so that's all the goodies I found at Daiso today. I would have got more, but I didn't want to go too expensive, just in case more stuff happens at our house that I can't deal with right now. But yeah. So there's that. Just toss this down there if I can get it let go. That's my haul that I got from Daiso. So what do you think? Is it a good deal? I think it is. For what I do anyways. And for my gardening, you know, I buy stuff for me. Yeah. If you're a gardener, they got good gardening stuff there. If you're a journaler or if you're a crafter that does things with washi tape and stuff, this kind of washi tape too. Daiso's got the stuff for you. If you are into, let's see what else they got. They got all kinds of cool stuff. You should take a trip to the Daiso. It's really cool. It really is what they've got there. Some really cool stuff. They even have emergency little lights that you can put up in your house. They have phone holders, you know, for your counter. Like if I wanted to clip it here and put it on there and I don't have to hold it. I mean, they got all kinds of cool stuff there. So anyways, I guess that's it. And it's a short video. I'm sorry, it's very, very short. But yeah, that's the pricings you'll get. Here, I'll look at the receipt and see if it lets me know what was the most expensive. Okay, the masking tape mix craft, $1.75 for 2. So it's probably like these two. Would have been $3.50 together, $1.75. Yeah, they're all $1.75 it shows. I don't see any that's more than that. Deco Tape set 5 patterns. 5 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5 patterns? Huh? These are 4. Times 4 pieces. So maybe it means this. Okay, so whatever. Anyways, these were, it says 75 cents. So either this was 75 cents or this is 75 cents. I doubt that because it says 4 pieces. So it has to be that. These right here. Anyways, what else? What else? Everything else is, I didn't pay for nothing here more than $1.75. Yep, everything was $1.75. I spent a whole total of all this stuff came to about $30. And all this stuff I use in my business, except for these 2 things. I do tend to use things like this with what I do. You never know. But this is for my gardening. But this stuff here is all my business. This is my home life, business life. Yeah. So I guess that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a like. I'd love you forever. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a like. Subscribe if you like what you see here. You can get more of this if I have the money to do this without likes and without subscriptions. It's hard for me to be able to keep doing these kind of haul videos. I just stick to my making my journals, and that's easy because that's a give me. I've already got all the stuff I need for that except for this kind of things. So, you know, that's it. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. If you have any requests, like if you would like a book made that's specific to you, let me know. I can work that out. Right now I'm working on 2 that's family related. But other than that, you know, just let me know and maybe I can get started on one for you. And you'd have to let me know if you want it publicized, you know, in other words, if you want me to do it doing one of the videos or whatever. If not, if you like specific kind of hauls, like from a certain store, I can go check out that store and see what kind of stuff they have there that I can work my business around. Look and see if that would work for me. But yeah. But again, this is what I do, is making journals or making art books. Art books being these. These are art books that you can buy. These two are in my Etsy store right now. You paint on these. You can even draw on these because it's got mixed media paper in it. It's real thick. So you can paint in these. There's two of them. They're twin. I want to say they're twins, but they're not twins. They look totally different. Anyways, they're on my Etsy store. I only have two. It was a test to see if anybody wanted them. Eventually, I'm going to take them down and I'll use them for myself if nobody wants them. It's okay. Not a big deal. I just thought I'd try that out and see if anybody wanted to buy that kind of stuff from my store. But yeah, this is what I do, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, like I said, give it a like, subscribe, and comment, and tell us what you like. What kind of things that you work on. What is your hobby that you do? Anything. Anything is okay, and trust me, I will answer you back. I love responding back to your comments, y'all. I really do. I do. I answer right away. I don't give you no time to wait around for me either. I'm just one of those kind of people. I don't take my time about answering you back. That's the way I am. I just feel it's polite to do that. I think it's rude not to. So anyways, I'm going to let y'all go. I'm talking too much because I'm tired. I'm going to go. I love you all. Talk to you later. Bye.